So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you an amazing strategy which you can actually use to start making money on two platforms right now using CPA marketing and Digistore24. So you're actually going to be earning money right here on both platforms simultaneously if you do successfully use this strategy right now. And this strategy is going to be a beginner friendly strategy and also 100% free strategy right now. So guys, all you actually have to do is to watch this video to the end and learn this exact same strategy right now. And without much introduction and delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to head on to this platform called Digistore24.com, and this is actually an affiliate marketing platform you could take advantage of to get affiliate marketing offers or products which you can actually start driving traffic to and start making money on. As you can see right now guys, if you do get more sales and less work with this particular platform right now, and you can see that it's for advanced marketers, you could actually scroll through and you'll be able to see more details about this particular platform. You could come right here, click on register, and you can go on to creating an account on this platform right here. But what you want to do right now after registering for an account is to click on marketplace. If you do click on marketplace, you should be brought to a page such as this where you can see a lot of products which you could go on to promoting right now and start earning some cool commissions right there. For this product right now, which is the keto meal plan, you can find out that you do get paid about $14.33 if you do successfully direct someone to purchasing this particular product using your unique affiliate link right here. And guys, if you do keep on scrolling through, you can see more offers right now. For this offer, you do get paid $67 for every successful purchase which you direct people to come right here and purchase on this platform. You can see this one right now, you do get paid about $211 right now. So guys, there are actually lots and numerous offers which you could go on to promoting right here, and the offers right now are actually categorized based on niches right here. You can see the niches ranging from animal and pet niche, the business and investment niche, the computer and internet, the dance and music, and a lot more other niches right now. But what I'm going to focus on in today's video is the jobs and employment niche. If I just select the job and employment niche, you can actually do find out some cool offers or products available to this particular niche. You can see right now that this is actually for the social media freelance jobs which you do get paid doing simple tasks. And for every successful purchase which you direct people to purchase on this particular offer right now, you do get paid about $8.14. You could keep on scrolling through and you'll be able to see lots more other types of jobs right now which you could take advantage of right now to go on to promoting and earning some cool affiliate commission right there. And guys, supposing I do want to focus more on this particular job, I can do click on promote right now and get my unique affiliate link for this particular product and go on to promoting that right here. You could also go on to maybe selecting the sales page to actually view how the sales page looks like. You could go on to clicking on affiliate support page where the owners of this particular offer actually do go on to providing some details for you that can help you go on to promoting this particular product. They actually provide stuff like landing pages, video ads, email copies, and a lot of other kinds of tools that can be helpful to you in getting easy conversions right now. So what you want to do is to click on promote now and get your unique affiliate link to this particular product right here. Then you want to head onto a CPA marketing platform that do have a content blocking capability such as CPA Grip right now. If you do click on register, if you don't have an account, you should be brought to a page such as this. Fill out the form appropriately, read through the terms of services and agree to that if that's okay by you by checking out these boxes right now. You want to go on to clicking on register now. After that is done, to create your account right here for absolutely free, of which you can then be brought to a dashboard such as this once you do log into your account. And right now guys, you want to just simply come right here to this monetization tools, click on monetization tools right now and URL file locker, of which guys you can then just simply go on to clicking create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of services right here and click on continue. Once you do that guys, you want to edit this page based on your preference. Go on to the template section and actually select any template of your choice right now. But I'm going to be using the human verification template right here guys. You want to change in the name to this particular URL file locker, and also go on to editing this header text right here. So guys, as you can see right now, I edited this text right now, or the name of this offer or this URL file locker to the job offers. I edited the header text to complete a survey below to prove that you are human and access available jobs. And right here in this locked URL section, you want to paste in the link to that particular product right here, which you want to promote right now. If you do paste in that particular link in that locked URL section, just simply come right here, click on save, and you can then actually go on to promoting this particular URL file locker by clicking on get link, and actually copy the link and go onto some cool platforms to promote that. And in promoting that right here guys, you can actually use this link directly, or you could then just simply go on to maybe creating a landing page right here for this particular URL file locker or this particular Digistore 24 offer which you do have right here, by going on to any landing page builder sites out there such as the breezy.io, the Google site, the systemy.io, or any other landing page builder sites which you do have access to and are quite familiar with and can create a simple landing page right there. So use such platforms to create a landing page, and then you can then just simply go on to promoting that landing page on a platform such as LinkedIn right now. If you do head on to LinkedIn, you want to just simply come right here, click on post a free job, and follow the necessary procedures to post that particular job right there, because that job is going to be available for your users right now. They actually do have to go on to going through your CPA URL file locker right here, of which if they successfully do go through that, they complete some offers and you do get paid some affiliate commissions right now for such offers which they do complete, for them to gain access to this particular product, of which if they also do go on to purchasing this product, you do get paid some cool affiliate commission right now. So you're going to be earning on both platforms simultaneously, which is the CPA grip and the Digistore 24 right now. So do utilize this strategy and start promoting your CPA marketing offers and affiliate marketing offers. Also, you could also use other social media platforms out there to promote such URL file locker which you do have right here by heading on to Facebook right now. You could just simply search for Facebook job related groups. So if I do search for jobs right now, so right here guys, you can see some cool jobs that are actually available, or some cool job groups right here which you could go on to join in. And as you can see, some groups are actually having lots of members. You can see each group right here. This group is having about 23,000 members. This one has 13,000. This has 44,000, and the list keeps on going on and on. So you want to just simply go on to as many groups as you can to promote that particular URL file locker and start getting traffic to your CPA marketing offers, and also that particular product for Digistore 24, which you can start earning money both ways. So do utilize this strategy right now to start making a lot of money online, even as a beginner in the year 2023 and beyond. So I do hope this video was of help to you. If yes, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.